We got some great news the other day, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. And that is, we are having all these little buds, trees. I'm not sure what they are. We're going to find out. And they're going to be planted along the river's edge to help with erosion because we suffered a great deal of erosion. And this group here, these 6 individuals, are here to plant these. And I'm assuming they know exactly how to do that. I'd like to learn that. But anyway, they're planting to help the erosion, which was quite bad. I did a video a while back about how we had to put a whole bunch of not cinder blocks, but cement bags, 80-pound cement bags in a huge hole that was undermining the bank. And we did it because we didn't want the bank and all the trees that were on our property to fall into the river. So this is a huge, huge step toward refurbishing the North Toe River, which is where this property is located. And I'll find out what those plants are and put it in this video in a minute. But moving in the right direction, so we're very happy to see this process continue.
There is one of the twigs. You can see them, they're like reddish brown. You can see they're pokey. Now that's a beautiful stone. Wow, both of those stones are gorgeous. But they planted all along the edge here. There's another one with a blue wrapping around it. Right there. And they planted all along here to hold this bank in protection of erosion. And they grow, I don't know, I looked at the research. I'll put it in a, I'll find it and get it, put it in a thing where you can read it, or I'll read it out loud. But anyway, yeah. There's another one over there. If I zoom out, you'll see. We do own that property over there. Our property line kind of goes behind those trees there and then up over there on the other side. The river is very high right now from snow melt. But they got right in the river and put these and planted these things. So impressive. You can see there's one right in the center of the screen. So we're hoping that this helps prevent erosion. And we may leave this area, which is about 12 feet lower than where I'm standing, flatten that out, and also use it as a place to stand and fish. There's a lot of trout, rainbow trout and brown trout in this river. It's really favored for fishing.